Hey air breathers, we're going to be unboxing Smart Air's air purifier. This is the Sqair. So we're going to show you here how to set it up, and you'll find that it's very straightforward. So first thing that we need to do is to remove the tapes at the side. Put it up here. Alright. There. Okay. First thing you'll see is the manual at the top, and then the beechwood legs. Again, this is made out of beechwood, this is not plastic. So you'll have it on the top, as well as your power cord. So we'll take care of these later. This will be at the very end. We just need to pull this out to take out the actual unit. You will have an instruction manual here on how to set this up, so don't worry. So here is the air purifier. Let's place the box at the side. Before anything else, let's place the legs. Now the legs are just a screw. No need to do anything fancy. It's gonna be very fast. Just, screw that in. Make sure that it's tight. Once you feel tension on the legs, when you're turning it, you should be good. Okay, that's good. This is the actual unit. But we have to open this up. You're gonna see that there's a button at the side. Press that, and you will see the filter and the fan. So simple stuff. Take out the filter first from plastic container. Just remove it here first. Okay. We've got the filter. Place it inside. There is an instruction here which side is up. So don't worry, you won't get that wrong. Place the purifier in. Get the power cord, which will be at the back. And connect it. There are 3 modes to the dial. There's 1, 2, and then 3. So that's very straightforward, simple, clean air for you. Air comes in from the bottom and goes out clean from the top. That's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this helped out.